I'm gonna show you guys this place, which is amazing. Stuck in rice fields and everything. What's up, you guys? We are back with another awesome little adventure. We are about to head onto one of Thailand's largest bamboo bridges here in Mae Hong Son. It's called Suthop. It is a huge bamboo bridge that was built for the monks to come early in the morning and people come and get blessings from. I was told it's roughly about 500 meters, almost 1 kilometer long, and it's said to be one of Thailand's largest original bamboo bridge structures. Look at all them rice paddies and everything. Man, this place is beautiful. Of course, not as beautiful as me. So, pretty much every morning at about 6 o'clock, right? You get a lot of monks coming down from this temple. So the monks be walking down here and they line up along this whole bridge. I did want to come, but it is rainy season. It's hard to come here at the right time because you're kind of fighting with the clouds. Now, the last thing we want to do is get stuck when like a monsoon hits and we got nowhere to hang out, you know, for shelter. But anyways, let's quickly just take a look and relax to the beauty of this view, man. Ah, it is amazing. That riding is like old school mountain. I don't know what it is. It almost looks Burmese, but it's not. So if any of you guys can tell me what that says, leave a comment down below. So we just walked the full length of the bridge, which supposedly is only 500 meters, half a kilometer. So it wasn't that bad at all, and it's definitely bouncy, right? It's got some bounce to it. Now, let's walk up and see what's there. Here we go, the final leg of this bamboo bridge stairs to the temple thing. Whew. And as you can see, man, definitely out of breath. So we made it. Hey, sorry, Kav. Ma do sapa na. Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. No monks today? Monkไม่มีเหรอ มีครับ เยอะแยะเลย นี่ที่โน่นเหรอ One, two. Wow, very beautiful. Okay, thank you very much. Kaf and Kaf. Very nice guy, right? Look at these guys, right? They're like all lined up in the morning and people come to give food inside their little bowls. Wow, look at that. Should we go walk down this one? Oh, wow. Feels like I'm like on the Grizzly roller coaster. You guys probably don't know what that is. The Grizzly roller coaster, some roller coaster that we had in California back in the day. All made out of wood and super scary. This feels like the Grizzly bamboo bridge or something. Anyways, let's continue walking through here. Just keeps on going. Looks like it just keeps on going, and we arrived to that big monk. All right, So we made it. We got this big monk, Buddha statue actually, and it's guarded by all these red ribbons. Not sure what the meaning is behind these red ribbons, but they're all kind of signed by people. You can't really tell, it's kind of faded away. But yeah, it's definitely people come here to make blessings. They write their little name on it. Thank you for allowing me to come visit you. Oh man, it's getting hot up here, you guys. So far, it's been no dogs. You guys don't know. You guys know I don't like them temple dogs. I love dogs, but them temple dogs, man, they be biting, right? Oh, I'm not sure if this is gonna lead us to where we gotta go. Maybe it does. I don't know. Check out this building, you guys. So the monks are resting up above, but that's like all teak up there, you guys. A nice dark black teak. Very, very beautiful. Wow. We're just gonna walk through here. I'm sure they're not gonna mind. And get out of here. Oh, it's getting dark. Oh, look at this. Looks like they built something here. This is all the stuff that people must be giving them early in the mornings. Got a bunch of toothpaste. Oh, they're full too. We got toothbrushes, candles, soap. Oh, that's pretty cool, right? A bunch of stuff. Interesting. All like little handmade knickknacks and stuff. I think we're going through the right area. Wow, look at those statues. That looks like speak no evil. I don't know what that one says. That one's definitely hear no evil. Maybe that's see no evil? I don't know. It's got like a little hole in his heart, right? What does that mean? I don't know. That's strange, right? Why they got a hole? I don't know. Look at this. What is this? Look at that. All bamboo. It looks like that thing they have in Greece or Rome or something, right? You guys, it's starting to drizzle, man. I might not be able to fly the drone. Oh no! We're almost out of here. I seen a big gong over here. What's that? Sad face? Happy face? Smiley face. They got 4 faces? Yeah. They got frowning right here. Wow. Take a look at that. That thing is huge. Wow, it's like animal skin. Oh, right there. That's what we want. That is what we want. We got it. So now we can hit it and make some noise. Y'all ready? Oh, look at all them bees, dude. Here we go. 1. Let's go to the other side here. 2. 3. Hopefully that'll stop the rain. Sweaty cop. Sweaty cop. Wow. This is a nice little viewpoint right here. All right, y'all. So that's pretty much a wrap. Hope you guys liked this little video. I surely did. That was the bamboo bridge here in Mae Hong Son. If you guys ever want to come by and take a look, just Google it. It's on Google Map. Mae Hong Son Bamboo Bridge. It'll definitely pop up. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. This is Red Cowboy signing out. Rain's coming, you guys. Bye-bye.